Do I need to contact T-Mobile customer service to activate my new SIM card on the new phone?
Hello there. Today we're going to talk about a common question many people have. Do I need to contact T-Mobile customer service to activate my new SIM card on a new phone? Let's break it down into simple, easy steps so you can get your new phone and SIM card up and running.
Do you need to contact T-Mobile customer service?
In most cases, you don't necessarily need to contact T-Mobile's customer service to activate your new SIM card. You can usually do this by yourself. However, keep in mind that this may depend on certain conditions or special cases where you might need to call customer service.
How to self-activate your SIM card?
Activating your new SIM card by yourself is typically straightforward. You'll first need to insert the SIM card into your new phone. Once that's done, you can activate the SIM by following the prompts on your device's screen or visiting the T-Mobile activation website and following the instructions there. Remember, you'll need your SIM card number and possibly the phone's IMEI number to complete this process. It's crucial to keep your personal information on hand during this procedure.
When should you contact customer service?
While self-activation is straightforward, there might be situations when you need to contact T-Mobile customer service for assistance. These might include technical difficulties during activation, special account circumstances, or if your new device is not recognizing the SIM card. In such cases, you should definitely reach out to T-Mobile customer service for assistance. They are there to help you and can resolve most issues that you might encounter during the activation process. So, there you have it. In most cases, activating your new T-Mobile SIM card on a new phone is a process you can handle on your own. But don't hesitate to reach out to T-Mobile customer service if you encounter any issues along the way. We hope this guide has been helpful and wish you the best of luck with your new phone and SIM card.